Hey everyone. Welcome back to All Things. Feeling stressed and need a break? Today, I'm showing you how to create a luxurious DIY spa day at home without spending a fortune. Let's pamper ourselves and unwind. Segment 1. Setting the mood. The first step to a relaxing spa day is creating the perfect ambiance. Dim the lights. Turn off harsh lights and use soft, warm lighting or candles for a cozy feel. Play relaxing music. Search for relaxing spa music or nature sounds to create a calming atmosphere. Add aromatherapy. Use essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, or chamomile in a diffuser to fill the room with calming scents. Segment 2. DIY facial. Now, let's pamper our skin with an easy DIY facial. Cleanse. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and makeup. Steam. Boil water. Add herbs like chamomile or mint, and steam your face for 5 minutes to open up your pores. Exfoliate. Use a DIY scrub with sugar and olive oil to gently exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Mask. Apply a natural face mask like yogurt and turmeric for glowing, hydrated skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse. Segment 3. DIY hair treatment. While your face mask is working, let's treat our hair. Massaging the mask into her hair. Segment 4. Relaxing foot soak and hand treatment. Next, let's pamper our feet and hands. Two areas that deserve extra love. Foot soak. Add Epsom salt, a few drops of essential oil, and warm water to a basin. Soak your feet for 15 minutes. Exfoliate feet. Use a pumice stone or a sugar scrub to exfoliate and remove dead skin. Hand care. Massage your hands with a rich moisturizer or coconut oil for soft, hydrated skin. Segment 5. Relaxing bath or shower. If you have extra time, indulge in a relaxing bath or shower. Bath. Add bath salts, bubbles, or a few drops of essential oil for a soothing experience. Shower. If you prefer a shower, hang eucalyptus in your bathroom for a spa-like aroma. Segment 6. Wrap up with self-care. After your spa treatments, slip into cozy clothes, and don't forget to hydrate with herbal tea or infused water. That's it for today's DIY spa day. Remember, self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Try these tips, and let me know how your spa day turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All Things. See you next time.